What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. Take a look at this. Guess who got a house? This homie. All thanks to eBay and Amazon, guys. And I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough. Now the house does need some work, so we are going to do some work on it. So you guys are gonna see the raw footage right here, right now, of the place. So let's go into the garage first, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in here. Trash can in front of the door. All right, so there are two cars in here right now. Those are not ours, those are the neighbors. He was watching this place for the guy that owns the house and using the garage. So he's gonna be moving these soon, but this is gonna be our garage very shortly. You can see all the space over here. It's a nice 3-car garage, pretty freaking sweet. Lots of storage space up there. Pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. And now we head into the house. Oh, it's locked. Kristen, help me. Hey, Soph. Soph's already here. She's happy. All right. Hi, baby. Oh, watch out. All right. Now, this would be the front door. This is the entrance right here. As you can see, this was the front of the house that I was showing you guys. You come in here, and you got the house. So, obviously, you can see it needs to be repainted in some spots. And a lot of spots. It needs a lot of work. So we're gonna be doing a lot of work to it, which is totally fine. It's got a nice big bay window right here, pretty sweet, big AC built in, gotta clean it up and stuff, but no issues there. Let's head over into the kitchen. See the nice tile, whatever they got, I don't know. This is kind of weird. We were thinking about putting like a curtain type thing right here to block it off maybe. Not sure. We got a bunch of cleaning supplies because this place is dirty right now. So I was cleaning this countertop right here. Finally, we have a dishwasher. Haven't had a dishwasher before, so that's gonna be nice.
I could cry of happiness.
Kristen could cry of happiness.
This is like my saving grace. This is the only reason.
This is
the only reason we moved.
This is the main reason. We got a nice view of our backyard back there. I'll be bringing you guys out there very shortly. You can see the fridge is pretty beat, so we're gonna be buying a new fridge. I mean, this thing is beat. I talked to the guy. He told me to just throw it out, stick it on the road, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to put an ad online for scrap metal. I'm sure somebody will come and pick up some scrap metal. See, all back there needs to be repainted, which is fine. We have this room, which is the dining room. It's got a nice light, and put 2 little chairs there. And yeah, we're gonna put a big mirror up right here. It looks pretty nice. Moving into this room, this is gonna be one of our main living rooms, I believe. This room that I showed you guys, I don't know what I wanna do with this. So we're gonna be coming over here and making this kind of our main living roomy area. So yeah, this will be cool. Now this is all furniture left over. This isn't our furniture. So we could either throw it out, keep it. Now we already have all of our own furniture. We do wanna keep this cool light though. And we'll probably put some of this stuff downstairs or post an ad on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or something. So, hello, hi guys. We have a cool fireplace right here. It's a propane fireplace. Does work nicely, so that's pretty sweet. Let's head out into the backyard. Why not, right? So we got a nice sliding glass door right here. We already bought an awesome mat. Wipe your paws for this little thing right here. She can read really well, so she'll know to wipe them. Right in this divot area, we're gonna put a U-shaped seating area and a little propane fireplace, like a fire pit. That'll be really nice. Gonna put a big grill right here. It's gonna look awesome for hosting events. Now we come down these steps right here. You could see around this side, which is pretty nice. It's a pretty large yard. Come around here, and that leads down to the basement, which I'll be showing you guys in a second. But we're gonna put a fence from the end of here right to the house. So we have a nice fenced in backyard for Sophia, so she has room to hang out. And we just have to connect probably a small white picket fence that goes around all of this, and we'll set that up. Rip out all these bushes right here so we could connect the fence. Probably till this up and plant some flowers in there and connect the fence right here. So our yard does go all the way back and around here, all the way back and around there, but we're not gonna mess with that. So yeah, pretty cool. And now we can come around here and take a look at the rest of the backyard. It's pretty large, pretty large. So, fun story, guys. We got this place for a pretty good deal, and I'll explain why. So this is a pool filter, pool pump. You can see right here, it's a little wet, a little muddy. So there's a crack in it right here. And this place has been vacant for, I believe, a year at least. So if we take a look around the side here, real quick, you'll see more of our yard. It's a pretty good sized yard, but leading to the shed, we're gonna be ripping all of this out so we can put a little white picket fence right around here for Soph. But I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. It does come with a pool, which is pretty sweet, but you guys can see it is extremely overgrown and the filter's broken. So it's kind of late in the season. It's already the end of August, so there's no point in doing any work to it. So we're waiting until next summer. During the winter, we're gonna rip out all of this, put weed killer down, and make sure all around here is nice. And then we're going to fix the filter, and then we'll have a nice pool, which is pretty sweet. So very happy about that. We have to cover this up because there are a lot of bugs back here because of this. So once we get it all fixed, we'll have a nice little pool cabana, cool little shed. We can come around back and take a look. And yeah, just a ladder storage or just whatever we decide to put back there. So let's go back inside. I'll show you guys the office, the bedroom, the basement, the bathroom. I'll show you guys everything. I'm very excited. Oh, hey, Soph. Hi, baby girl. Don't forget to wipe your paws. I gotta set a good example. Excuse me. So yeah, a lot of this house definitely needs to be painted. A lot of it needs to be cleaned, which is what we're working on right now. We are in here about a week early to do a lot of prep work. Kristen's just sweeping up the floor. All right, so here's the hallway that leads down to everything. So we could head down here. Hello again. And we come in here, and this was a bedroom, but I'm gonna make this an office. So I'm gonna throw this out. You can see this shelving unit type thing that's on the wall. Kind of interesting. I don't know if I want to get rid of it or not, because that's like a whole project. You could see that there's these like metal brackets that go all along. I don't feel like ripping this out. So I might just do it for, you know, I could put small priority mail boxes up right here, put some eBay inventory in there and there, up there. Hang some shirts that I had, like jackets that I have for sale on these two. This will be gone, so my desk can be here if I decide to get a corner desk. I'm not sure. It's got some cool lights up there. And it's got a small closet for some storage space. You can see down in there, there's a cutout for piping, so I gotta put plywood right there. Really not that big of a deal. Now we head over into the bedroom, and the bedroom's smaller than our bedroom that we have right now, which is kind of a shame, but I mean, we have so much more space in this house, so it's okay. You could kind of see the whole room in here. Obviously, we're throwing that out. We have our own bed, and yeah, take a look at the closet. It's a beautiful, beautiful pink closet. We're not gonna deal with any repainting or anything in the closets. That doesn't really matter. So we'll just leave that the way it is. We're gonna be buying new doorknobs for a lot of these doors also. The last person that was here painted them all. I don't know why. Some of them, they didn't really do a good job. You could see the paint that's all over it. I don't know. So we're gonna have to redo that. It's pretty cool, the fans. There's multiple fans in the house, and they all have these remotes on the wall, which is, yes, that's cool. There was another really cool fan I wanted to show you guys that I didn't show you. It's right up here. Take a look at that thing. That is a cool freaking fan, and I like it. And I also like these beams up here. So really neat. Oh yeah, there's a cool spot up there I could hang out when I'm bored, and another closet. Let's take a look inside the closet, and there's the remote. Pretty sweet. Nobody come mess with me because take you out. We got our baseball bats set up. We got pokers. And we got other weaponry that we'll be bringing to protect the home. So now let's go downstairs and check that out. Oh, there is a little closet right here, but you could see it needs to be repainted around here, and I'm gonna put a new doorknob on today. But there's the little closet, pretty nice. Oh, I didn't show you the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. You walk in, it looks pretty nice, it's pretty cool. Obviously it needs to be cleaned. Like I said, nobody's been here for a while. Those are going in the trash. Got a nice little shower, toilet. You can see out to that side yard that I was in before. Me again, hello. And yeah, now we're gonna go downstairs. Here we go. This is the scary part, but this is gonna become a fun part. It just needs a lot of work down here, but I'll get the work done. All right, so let's pop on a light and then you guys can see better than I can. There we go, cool. So you can see everything needs to be repainted, cleaned, vacuumed, steam cleaned. That's stuff that we're gonna have to end up doing. This needs to be put back on. Just needs a lot of work. But I already knew that when I was coming in here, so it's okay. Does this work? It does. Oh, cool. All right, so there's a couple washers and dryers down here. I don't know if I wanna bring mine. I probably will. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. There's also another set over here. Hey, Soph, hanging out in the basement. This is gonna be a fun area down here. Now we're gonna put up tapestries or something that come out here and across to block out all of that exposed plumbing and whatever. We're not gonna, I don't know how to build stuff. This is the door that leads out where I showed you before, out on the side, pretty cool. Lock that up. Yeah, there's another closet right here. Interesting. Another fridge, because that fridge upstairs is so beat. This one's not that good either. I think we're gonna put this out in the garage for when we have backyard parties and leave the garage open, because the garage also has a door that leads out back. So I think this will be out in the garage. We'll keep beer and stuff in there. And we're buying a new one at Lowe's to put upstairs. What is she looking at? There is another bathroom, which is nice. Needs a lot of work. There's the shower. There's the toilet and the sink and the mirror again. So yeah. Oh, a broom. We didn't have to bring a broom. So it does need work, but we'll get it all done. We will get it all done. So I was thinking right here, there's a dehumidifier down here because it gets super humid in Connecticut and basements tend to get moldy and gross, mildewy. So I was either gonna put a pool table right here or on this side, but I don't know which side I wanna have it. So we'll see what we end up doing there. But for now, we're gonna be painting, we're gonna be cleaning, we're gonna be fixing this place up for the next month pretty much. And then you guys will see the finished project. So yeah guys, all of this was done 100% thanks to Amazon, eBay, reselling, making money online, making money locally, making deals, doing all that kind of stuff. Literally all of this is thanks to that. So I couldn't be more happy with how I'm growing and how everything's growing, how the business is growing, how the YouTube channel is growing. I mean, yeah, I get payouts from YouTube. They're not massive, but they do help. So thank you, all of you guys, for watching these videos. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I do have so many videos in the works. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately, and that's mostly because we've been trying to get this place. I've been trying to not buy so much because we're gonna have to move everything here. It's just a lot of work that we've been doing for the past month and a half. And I've been trying to put videos out. I know I haven't been doing a lot of ride-alongs because I haven't been out thrifting that much. I have so much excess inventory that I'm just trying to sell, list, get rid of. I'm gonna be having a tag sale or a garage sale, yard sale, whatever you call it. I'm gonna be having that tomorrow on Saturday. So that's gonna be pretty sweet. You guys will see that. I'm gonna try to record as much of that as I can. So hopefully I get some awesome footage of the sale. Sell a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have boxes and boxes and boxes of stuff outside all day, making some money, probably drinking some beers, hanging out on the porch, saying goodbye to my old apartment, which I love. And I really do love that place a lot, guys. But this place is a step in the right direction. We just need to paint, clean, fix some holes in the walls. Oh, let me show you this hole in the wall real quick. Bam. I don't know how to fix holes in the wall, but that's why we have YouTube, guys. How do you think I learned how to resell? YouTube. How do you think I'm gonna learn how to fix all this stuff? YouTube. That's why you guys are watching it, and that's why you guys watch this channel, to learn about reselling and to just learn. And that's why I love YouTube. It's awesome, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Remember to give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.